My dear children, now I am going to write an mathematical equation. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಗಣಿತದ ಸಮೀಕರಣವನ್ನು ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, the equation is like this. The equation, can you tell me what is the final answer? Maybe ಕೊನೆಯ ಉತ್ತರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? 10. No, it is not 10. It is 4. The final answer maybe. The final answer should be 4. Okay. Can you read this mathematical equation in words? ಇದನ್ನ ಪದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬಹುದಿರಾ?
20 divided by 5 is equal to 4.
20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. You are reading by using the signs. ನೀವು ಚಿಹ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಸಾಂಕೇತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್? It is read as divide 20. We have to divide 20 by 5. We have to divide 20 by 5. The answer should be equals to 4. The answer that we obtained by dividing 20 by 5 is equal to 4. 20 5ರಿಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಿದಾಗ ಬರುವ ಉತ್ತರ 4ಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಓದ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, so here in this equation we are going to divide which number we are going to divide? 20. The number that we are going to divide, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಭಾಗಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆಯೋ, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಭಾಗಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆಯೋ, the number that we are going to divide is known as, do you know the name that we given to this number? It is known as dividend. It is known as dividend. Dear children, keep in memory. All of you must try to keep this word in your memory. ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಭಾಗಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಜ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೇವೆ. The number that we are going to divide is known as dividend. Okay, and the number from which we are going to divide 20. From which number we are going to divide 20? 5. As we are going to divide this 20 by 5. The number that we are going to divide it by is known as, do you know this? Do you know the name that we given to this number? No, it is known as divisor. The number from which, by which we are going to divide, ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಜಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. In English we call it as a divisor. Okay, and what is the answer that we get by dividing 20 by 5? 20 5ರಿಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉತ್ತರ ಬರ್ತದೆ? 4 is the answer. What we call to this answer that we obtained by dividing 20 by 5? 20 5ರಿಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಿದಾಗ ಒಂದೇ ಉತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
You don't know? We call this number as quotient. We call this number as quotient. In Kannada we call it as bhagalabdha. We call this number as bhagalabdha. Yes, dear children, quotient, this the spelling is right. Okay, where I have missed the spelling? Here? This is right, quotient. Here the scarcity of the place, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Yes, the number that we going to divide is known as dividend. The number by which we are going to divide is known as divisor. And the answer that we get by dividing is known as quotient. Okay, in between dividend and divisor, what is there? A sign is there. What we call this sign as?
Divisor.
No. The sign said we call this as divided by. It is called as divided by. And what is this sign? Is equal to. Dividend divided by divisor is equal to quotient. Okay, ಭಾಜ್ಯ divided by ಭಾಜಕ ಇದು ಭಾಗಲಬ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮನಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. Okay, yes. Okay, now ಈಗ ನಾವು ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಸರ್ quotient ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಲೆಸ್ ಈಗ they tell us to find the quotient of. They tell us, ask us to find the quotient. Find the quotient of. ಅಥವಾ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ಎ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 65 divided by 4. 65 divided by 4. They ask us to find the quotient of. Quotient means, dear children, what is the meaning of quotient? Quotient is the answer that we get by dividing 65 by 4. ಇದರಿಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಿದಾಗ ಬರೋ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನೇ we call as quotient. If we need to find the quotient, what we have to do? Quotient ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ? Divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ. Let's start to divide the given numbers. Okay. In this number, what we call which number we are going to divide?
65.
Yes, we need to divide 65. So, ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? We call it as dividend. We call it as dividend. From which number we are going to divide? 4. We call this number as divisor. We call this 4 as divisor. Okay. Let's start to find the quotient. Okay. To find the quotient, the division is started like this. Somebody write the dividend divisor in these places. Somebody put a 10 mark. Somebody put a 10 mark and start to divide. ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರನಾದರೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. 10ಗಿಂತ ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಾಗಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್. What we have to write here?
Divisor.
You are right, dear children. We have to write the divisor here. How much is the divisor?
4.
4 is the divisor. ಭಾಜಕವನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Now here, what have to write?
Dividend.
Dividend. How much is the dividend?
65.
65. While writing the dividend, please give a space in between these two numbers. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಡುವೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಡೋ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ನಂಬರ್ we have to going to divide?
6.
From which number we are going to divide? ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? 4 ಇಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. If you want to divide the given number by 4, what we have to know? ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು? ಇದನ್ನು 4 ರಿಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟದು?
4.
Yes, if you want to divide 65 by 4, we must and should know the tables of 4. I think all of you know the tables of 4.
Yes.
Yes, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 4 ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Come on, tell me.
4 1s are 4.
4 1s are 4.
4 2s
4
are
2s
8.
are 8.
4 3s are 12.
4 3s are 12.
4 4s are 16.
4 4s are 16.
4 5s are 20.
4 5s are 20. Okay, stop now. Dear children, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ 4 1s are 4 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ವಿ ನೀಡ್ 4. 4ರ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಲು 4 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ವಿ ನೀಡ್ 8. 4ರ 2 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ 8 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ವಿ ನೀಡ್ 12. 4ರ 3 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ 12 ಇರಬೇಕು. To make the fourth group of 4, we need 16. To make the fourth group of 5, we need 20. Like this, division ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. If we need to make the fourth group of 6, how much we need?
24.
24. The 4 6s are 24 ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. If you want to make the fourth group of 7, how much we need? Come on.
28.
28. If you want to make the fourth group of 8, how much we need?
32.
32. If you want to make the fourth group of 9, how much we need?
36.
36. If you want to make the fourth group of 10, how much we need? 40. ಹೀಗೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4. ಓಕೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ 4 ವಿಚ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸಾರಿ ಇಡೀ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಒಂದೇ ಸಾರಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಕೆಲಸ ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ, ಇಡೀ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆನ ಒಂದೇ ಸಾರಿಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡು ನಾವು?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಂದ
ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಒನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್. ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್. ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಡಿಜಿಟನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಟೆನ್ಸ್.
ಯಾಕೆ ಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಯಾಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಾನು 5 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇನ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಕೂಡೋದು ಕಳೆಯೋದು ಗುಣಿಸೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಕೂಡೋದು ಕಳೆಯೋದು ಗುಣಿಸೋದನ್ನ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಸ್ಥಾನದಿಂದ ಅಡಿಷನ್, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಿಂದಾನೆ ಭಾಗಿಸಬೇಕು. ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 6 is there. Divide this 6 by 4. Let's start to divide this 6 by 4. If you want to divide it by 4, what do you have to know? 4th table. ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಓಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. 6 ಬೆರಳಿದೆ, 4th ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? 1 2 3 4. 4 ಬೆರಳು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತು? 2 ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತು. ನೋಡಿ, 4 ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ 4 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? 4 is there. 6 ಇದೆ, 4 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದ 4th group of 2, how much we need? 8. Is there 8 is there? No, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಇಲ್ಲ. 8 ಇಲ್ಲ. There is no 8. So can we make the 2 groups? ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? Only 6 fingers are there. They are telling us to make the group of 4s. 4 fingers ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತು? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? If you want to make the 4th group, how much we need? 8. 8 is not there. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ we can't make 2 groups. 2 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? Only 1 group. 4 ones. We have to write the group number here. 4 ones.
4.
Where have to write this 4? 6 divide ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ 6 ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. Now what have to do? Subtract these two. 6 minus 4. 4 ಕಳಿಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. 6 minus 4? 2. As you subtract these two number, you think you have divided 6. ಕಳಿತಿದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ which number I have to going to divide? 5. Can you divide this 5 here only? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಾ? So what we have to do? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We have to bring this 5 down to the right side of the 2. ಓಕೆ, ಈ 5ನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಳಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2ರ ಬಲಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಇಳಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Bring it down to the right of the 2. As we write 5 to the right of the 2, how much we get?
25.
Yes, 2ನ ಬಲಬದಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ we get 25. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ as you bring the 5 down, you start to divide now. 5ನ ಇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗೆ ಭಾಗಾಕಾರ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ. Let's start to divide. Yes, okay. 25 is there. If you want to make 4th one group, how much we need? 4. 4 is there? Yes. If you want to make 4th 2 group, how much we need?
8.
8 is there?
Yes.
If you want to make 4th 3 groups, how much we need?
12.
12 is there?
Yes.
We can make 3 groups also. If you want to make 4th 4 group, how much we need?
16.
16 is there?
Yes.
We can make the 4th 4 group. If you want to make the 4th 5 group, how much we need?
20.
20 is there?
Yes.
20 ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. 5 group ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. If you want to make 4th 6 group, how much we need?
24.
24 is there?
Yes.
25 ಇದೆ. 24 ಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇದೆ.
If you want to make the 4th 7 group, how much we need?
28.
28 is there? No, there is not 28. 28 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. So there is less than 28. So we can make the second group?
No.
No, we can't make the second group. We can make one group, two group, three group, four group, five group, six group. That's all. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? How much group can we make there?
6.
ಎಸ್, 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್. ಗರಿಷ್ಠ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅಷ್ಟೂ ಗುಂಪುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? 6 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್. 6 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ 24 ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಬಟ್ if you want to make the 7 group, we need 28. 28 is not there, so we can't make 7 groups. So maximum, we can make maximum of 6 groups only. So write the group numbers here. 4 6 are
24.
where is which place 2 is present? ಯಾವ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿದೆ 2? 10th place is present in 10th place. Where I have to write this 2? 10th place. 1 10. We have to write this 2 here. And then what I have to do now? Subtract. Yes. 5 minus 4? 1. 2 minus 2? 0. 25 minus 24? How much? 1. Yes. So as you completed the subtraction, you think you have divided this 5. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ಕಳಿತಿದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ 5ನ ಭಾಗಿಸಿದಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next, which number I have to go into divide? No, I have divided both the numbers. I have divided both the digits. So division is completed. It is over. So what is the answer that we get by dividing the 65 by 4?
1.
What is the answer? No, where is the answer here? Here, the number, how much it is? 16. This is the answer that we get by dividing 65 by 4. 65 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, 4 ಜನ ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗುಂಪು ಆಗ್ತಾವಂತೆ? 16 ಗುಂಪು ಆಗ್ತಾವಂತೆ. And this answer is, we can say this answer as, what we call the answer that we get by dividing these two numbers? Quotient. ಭಾಗಲಬ್ಧ ಅಂತೀವಿ. So 16 ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ how much left? How much left after making the 16 groups? ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತಂತೆ? 16 ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ 65 ಜನ 4 ಜನ ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 16 ಜನ ಗುಂಪಾಗುತ್ತಂತೆ. ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿರೋ ಜನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 1 member is left, and this is known as remainder. Keep it in your memory, dear children. The number that left after dividing is known as remainder. In Kannada we call it as shesha, and it is called as bhagalabdha. Okay? Very good. Let's divide one more problem. Let's take one more problem. Okay? Okay. Right. So they will give the problem like this. They tell us to, for example, they will give a number like this. They will give a number like this. Find the quotient of. What I have to find? What I have to find? What I have to find? Quotient. So I have to find quotient. ಭಾಗಲಬ್ಧ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಂತೆ. What is meaning by quotient? What is meant by quotient? ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ the answer that we get by division. The answer that we get by division is known as quotient. So ನಮಗೆ quotient ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ what I have to do? How to divide these two numbers? Which number I have going to divide? 85. And the number that we are going to divide is known as
divided.
Very good. It is known as dividend. And from which number we are going to divide 85? 2. As from 2 I am going to divide. And this number is known as divisor. As it is known as divisor. So let's start to divide. Yes. Here, what I have to write?
Divisor.
How much is the divisor?
2.
2 is the divisor. Here, what I have to write?
dividend
How much is the dividend?
85.
Leave a small gap in between both these two digits. Okay, let's start to divide. From which number I have to going to divide? ಎಷ್ಟಿಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If you want to divide this number by 2, what have to know?
Tables.
Yes, I have to know about the tables of 2. I think all of you know the 2's table. ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎರಡರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ?
Yes.
Yes, let's write here. 2's, if you want to make 2's one group, how much we need? 2. If you want to make 2's two group, we need
4.
If we want to make 2's three groups, we need 6. If you want to make 2's four group, we need 8. If you want to make 2's five group, how much we need? 9.
10.
2 5s are 10. If you want to make 2's six group, how much we need? 12. If you want to make 2's seven group, how much we need?
40.
If you want to make 2's eight group, how much we need?
60.
If you want to make 2's nine group, how much we need?
80.
If you want to make 2's 10 group, we need 20. Yes, very good. So let's start to divide 85 by 2.
Oh.
Can you divide both of these two digits at a time? ಒಂದೇ ಸಾರಿ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಭಾಗಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
No.
ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So what I have to do?
First to 2 in the
2 ಇಂದ
100.
ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ?
85.
85 ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? 8. Start the division from the biggest place. Biggest place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So biggest place ಅಂದ್ರೆ 110. 10 is the biggest place. So divide this 8. 2's. If you want to make the 2's one group, how much we need?
2.
2 is there?
Yes.
Yes. 8 ಇದೆ. ನಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಬೇಕು. 2 ಇದೆ. ಆರಾಮ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. If you want to make 2's two group, how much we need?
4.
4 is there?
Yes.
Yes, 4 is there. 4 ಇದೆ. If you want to make the 2's three group, how much we need?
6.
6 is there?
Yes.
Yes, 6 is there. We can make 3 groups also. If you want to make 2's four group, how much we need?
8.
It is there?
Yes.
Yes. If you want to make 2's five group, how much we need?
10.
10 is there?
No.
No, ಇರೋದು 8 ಬೆರಳು. ನಮ್ 5 ಬೆರಳು 5 ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಬೆರಳು ಇರಬೇಕಂತೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So can we make the 5 groups?
4.
Can we make the 5 groups? No, we can't. We can't make 5 groups. Okay. So we can make 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group. How much we take? 1 ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, 2 ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, 3 ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, 4 ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, 5 ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗುಂಪು ಅಂತ ಆಡೋಣ?
4.
Yes, we have to select maximum groups. We have to make maximum groups. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗುಂಪುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ 4 ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ 8 ಬೇಕು ಇದೆ, 5 ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ 10 ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರೂಪ್? 4 groups. 2 4s are 8. Now what I have to do? Subtract. 8 minus 8? 0. As you subtract these two numbers, think it is 8 is completely divided. Next, how much I have to divide?
5.
What I have to can I divide this by here only? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಭಾಗಿಸ್ಲಾ? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Bring it down to the right of the 0. 0 ನ ಬಲಬದಿಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಳಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. As you bring it down, how much we get? 5. So ಇದನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಿದ್ದಾಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ. If 5 is there, okay. If you want to make 2's one group, how much we need? 2 is there?
Yes.
If you want to make 2's two group, how much we need?
4.
4 is there?
Yes.
Yes. So 2 group is also possible. If you want to make 2's three groups, how much we need? 6 ಬೇಕು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. There is no 6. It is less than 6. So can we make the 3 groups?
No.
3 ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ 6 ಇರಬೇಕು ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇರೋದೇ 5 ಬೆರಳು ಆಯ್ತಾ. 2 ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ. 2ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? 4. 2 ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪು, 2 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗುಂಪು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಇರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಬೆರಳು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? 2 ಗುಂಪು. 3 group. If you want to make the 3 group, we need 6, but there is no 6, so we can't make 3 groups. Maximum how many groups we can make? 2. 2 2s are
8.
2 2s are
4.
4 is in which place?
1.
Ones place, unit place. So where I have to write this 4?
Unit.
Here?
Yes.
Here?
No.
No, here. This is the ones place. So next, what I have to do? Subtract. 5 minus 4?
1.
1. As the subtracting these two numbers, think 5 is divided completely. Okay. Next, which number I have to go to divide? Is there any other number to divide? Is there any other key to divide? Okay. So what is the answer you got?
42.
42. And what we call this answer as?
Quotient.
Yes, we call this answer as quotient. And how much is left after dividing?
Remainder.
Yesterday?
1.
Yes, and the answer is known as
Remainder.
In Kannada we call it as Shesha. Okay. Very good, children. You have divided this number very beautifully. Okay. Is it difficult to divide the given number? Kashta divide ಮಾಡೋದು?
No.
No, it's very easy to divide the given numbers. Okay. Let's start to divide these numbers. We will divide 503 by 6. Okay. Let's start to divide the number.
Okay.
Okay. In 505, in this number, what we call this as? The number that we are going to divide is known as dividend. From which number we are going to divide?
Quotient.
From which number we are going to divide? ಎಷ್ಟಿಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಬೇಕಂತ?
6.
And it is called as
Divisor.
divisor. Yes, you are right. Yes, let's start to divide now. What I have to write here?
Dividend.
Dividend ಬರೀಬೇಕಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ?
Divisor.
Divisor. What is the divisor?
6.
6. Here?
Divided.
Write the dividend. Okay? Write the dividend. Leave the gap in between each and every digit. ಪ್ರತಿ digit ನಡುವೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ತುಂಬಾ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಬರೀಬೇಡಿ. Okay. Let's start to divide the given number.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. From which number we are going to divide?
5.
5. From which number?
6.
We have to divide this number from 6. Okay. We have to divide this number from 6. Okay. I just okay. It's okay. If you want to divide this number from 6, what I have to know about?
6 tables.
As we have to must and should know the tables of 6. And ಆರು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. I think all of you know the tables of 6 perfectly, isn't it?
Yes.
ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ? ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ? Yes. Before dividing, start to say the tables. ಮಗ್ಗಿನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮಗ್ಗಿನ ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. If you want to make the 6th group of 1, how much we need?
6.
If you want to make the 6th 2 groups, how much we need?
12.
If you want to make the 6th 3 groups, how much we need?
18.
18. If you want to make the 6th 4 group, how much we need?
24.
24. If you want to make the 6th 5 groups, how much we need?
30.
If you want to make the 6th group, how much we need?
36.
If you want to make 6th 7 group, how much we need?
42.
If you want to make the 6th 8 group, how much we need?
54.
No, 48. If you want to make 6th 9 groups, how much we need?
54.
If you want to make 6th 10 groups, how much we need?
60.
ಹೀಗೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ. ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 6.
Okay.
ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಲ್ 3 digits ಅಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್? ಈ 3 ಅಂಕಿನ ಒಂದೇ ಸಾರಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ?
5.
5. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್?
100.
Biggest place is 100. 100 is the biggest place. 100 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೆನಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸಂಕಲನ, ವ್ಯವಕಲನ, ಗುಣಾಕಾರ, ಅಡಿಷನ್, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸ್ಥಾನದಿಂದ ಆರಂಭಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಥಾನದಿಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಫ್ರಮ್ 6 ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್? 5. Yes, come on. If you want to divide this 5 from 6, I have to know the tables. And ಆರು ಮಂದಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. If you want 6 is one group, how much you need?
6.
6 is there?
No.
No, there's no 6. ಇರೋದೇ 5 ಬೆರಳಂತೆ. 6 ಬೆರಳಿನ ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. Is it possible?
No.
ಇಲ್ಲ. 6 ಬೆರಳಿನ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೆರಳಿರಬೇಕು? 6 ಬೆರಳು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ 6 fingers one group we need 6, but 6 is there,
No.
only 5 is there. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್? ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಾರು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ?
No.
ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ 6 ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡಕ್ 6 ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. 6 ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪುವೆ. ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
0.
Yes, you are right. 0 group. 6 zeros are
0.
0. Next, what I have to do?
Subtract.
Subtract. 5 minus 0?
5.
5. As a subtracting, you will take 5 is completely divided. Next, I have to divide.
0.
What I have to do? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 5 right side of 1.
We have to bring it down to the right of the 5. How much we get?
50.
50. Yes, let's start to divide this 50 by 6. If you want to make 6 one group, we need
6.
idea.
Yes.
Yes. If you want to make 6 is 2 groups, how much we need?
12.
Is 12 is there?
Yes.
Yes. If you want to make 6 3 group, we need
18.
18 is there?
Yes.
ಇದೆ ಮೂರು ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. If you want to make 6 is 4 group, how much we need?
24.
24 is there?
Yes.
Yes. We can make 4 group also. If you want to make 6 is 5 groups, how much we need?
30.
30 is there?
Yes.
Yes, we can make 5 groups also. If you want to make 6 is 6 groups, how much we need?
36.
36 is there?
Yes.
Yes. If you want to make 6 is 7 group, how much we need?
42.
42 is there?
Yes.
If you want to make 6 is 8 group, how much we need?
48.
48 is there?
No. Yes.
Yes, 48 is there. 48 ಇದೆ. 48 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. If you want to make 6 is 9 groups, how much we need?
54.
54 is there?
No.
No. 9 ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ 54 ಇರಬೇಕು. If you want to make 9 groups, we need 54. But there is no 54 is there. It is less than 54. So we can't make 9 groups. So maximum ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? How much maximum group you can do? 8 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಸಿಗಬೇಕು, ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚೂರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ. 6 if you want to make 6 8 group, we need 48. 48 is there. But if you want to make 6 is 9 groups, 54 should be needed. Is there 54?
No.
No. So we can't make 9 groups. So how many maximum groups we can do?
8.
8 groups. 6 8s are
48.
4 is in which place?
10.
1 10. So write it in 10 place. Next, what I have to do? Subtract. 0 minus 8.
8.
Huh? Is there money in your pocket?
No.
ದುಡ್ಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಪಪ್ಪು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ
Yes, you have to borrow from the 10th place. ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ?
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Yes, how much they will give?
10.
Only one. They have 10 rupees 5 notes. 5 notes of 10 rupees. 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 5 ನೋಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ನೋಟ್ ನಿನಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ನೋಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 10. ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
You have only 10. 10 minus 8?
2.
2. Yes, right. How much is there?
4.
5 is there.
ಪಪ್ಪು ಮನೆ
Oh, you had one borrow to the one's place. So among 5, 1 is borrowed. So only remaining is
4.
4 ಕಷ್ಟ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. 4 minus 4?
0.
0. So as a subtract completed, you think 0 is divided. So ನಾನು ಭಾಗಿಸಿದಂಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು. Now what I have to do? What I have to do?
3 ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತಂದು 2
Yes.
ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್
Bring the 3. Next I have to divide 3. So bring it down to the right of the 2. How much we get?
23.
Yes, ಎರಡರ ಬಲಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ we get 23. 23 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So now look at the table. How many groups can we make? ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ನ? 23 ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 23 ಗಿಂತ ಚೂರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. How many maximum groups we can make?
3.
Yes. If you want to make 6 3 groups, we need 18. 18 is there?
Yes.
Yes. If you want to make the 4 group, we need
20.
24 is there?
No.
Oh, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. Only 1 is less to make the 4 groups. So we can't make 4 groups. 4 group ಮಾಡಿ 24 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So 4 groups ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So maximum ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 groups. 6 3s are
80.
1 is in which place?
10.
So write it in tens place. 1's tens. Now what I have to do? Subtract. 3 minus 8?
5.
Only 3 rupees is there. Can you subtract the only 3 rupees is there? Can you spend 8 rupees? ಇರೋದೇ 3 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 8 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ?
No.
No, ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So what I have to do? Borrow from here. ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? 1 ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 10. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
3.
ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 10 ನಿಮ್ಮ ತೆಗಿರೋ 3 ಟೋಟಲ್ 13ರಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 13 minus 8 ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 13 ಸಿಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 8 ಮುಂದೆ 13 ಸಿಗೋವರೆಗೆ 8 after 8
9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
ಸಿಗ್ತಲ್ಲ 8 ಗೆ 5 ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ 13 ಗೆ 8 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 5. How much left here? 1 minus 1 0. So 3 is also divided. Next, how to divide which number?
Not have this number.
There are no extra numbers are there. All digits are completely divided. So our division is over. What is the final answer we have got? What is the answer we have got? ಬಂದಂತ ಉತ್ತರ ಎಷ್ಟು? 83. And this answer is known as quotient. After dividing, how much left? 5 is left, and it is known as
Remainder.
yes, remainder. In Kannada we call it as shesha. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.